Swag, Superior Watch for All Great Gear LLC. Here we have a pair of Jordan 11 Space Jams. As you can see, they look like they've been sitting a little bit. So they're dusty. We're going to bring them all the way back to life. Give them a full deep clean in the uppers, the yellow in the outer soles, on the icy bottoms. Look, we're going to bring them back to life as much as possible. Every pair not going to come out the same because every pair ain't from the same manufacturer. As you can see, we brought them all the way back to life. Full deep cleaning in the uppers. We got some of that yellow one out of the outer soles. Y'all know that we have 3 different yellow out packages. We did a $40 package on these. They look good. The patent leather on these, the shine is phenomenal. Look, we didn't get deep into the patent leather restore, but look, we did a great job on the restore. Swag, book with us, because we here for all of your cleaning and restore needs.